Hi, and welcome to YeeFit Adventures. My name's Darren, and this channel is about backpacking, gear reviews, and finding your next adventure. In today's video, we have an exciting video on a new friend of mine, so come join us. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to take the HoverAir X1 Pro out for its very first flight and share my initial impressions. This little drone promises hands-free flying, smart tracking, and its ultra-portable convenience. But does it deliver? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the HoverAir X1 Pro feels very super lightweight. It weighs only 125 grams, which means it doesn't require FFA registration in most regions. The design is very sleek, with foldable arms and propeller guards. It makes it pocket-friendly and perfect for on-the-go use. Alright, little HoverAir X1 Pro. Let's see you orbit me. Pretty good. So I'm out here testing out the HoverAir X1 Pro. As you can see, it's doing pretty well within 10 to 15 mile per hour winds. I got it in orbit mode, and we're about 2.5 miles out. Just doing a short little training run, see how it fares for the first time. Check out my little friend back there. Woo. All right, let's come on back. All right, the first flight. One thing that I immediately appreciate is how easy it is to launch. It launches from the palm of your hand. No complicated setup, no controller, just a few taps on the app or on the physical button on the top, and it takes off smoothly. Now, it's not every day you get to see yourself running in front of the camera. One thing I kind of noticed was how my left arm is a little lower than my right arm as I'm running. You can also just see that your cadence, how hard you're breathing, or even how slow you might be running. As you can see, if you run in a straight line, the drone is able to track you a little bit better, but if you make a turn or around a corner, it does sway back and forth a little bit. But it's able to keep up with me. Okay, let's talk a little bit about camera quality. The HoverAir X1 Pro shoots in 4K, 60 frames per second. There is a Max version of the HoverAir X1 Pro Max that shoots in 8K, but I wanted the Pro version just so that you're not always going to be shooting in 8K, and it does take up a lot more space, and it does cost a couple $100 more. As you can see, I'm flying in the manual mode. I'm using my phone. The kit that I also got also comes with a beacon, which is kind of gives you a peace of mind when you're using it, because it not only you're able to use some manual controls, but it also, you can return it. There's a return device back to you. And you're able to see the camera feed as it's flying. Okay, just finished my 5-mile run in about 9-minute pace. I've got my new friend up in front of me. How's it going? And it performed well. I did a hover, the first follow me mode. I did an orbit. Hover, which just kind of tracks you as you go. The dolly track, as you can see, just kind of sits in front of me as it's going around here. And then, yeah, it's worked out pretty good. Takes about 5 to 10 seconds to launch and get it ready. Sorry, I got some sweat in my eyes, but it's the battery life. It says 15 minutes, but it'll probably get you about 12. It has optical avoidance.
And I got the cycling track, which kind of gives you 2 extra batteries, a beacon, and some bike mounts, and a little carrying case, but it's a little bulky. I'll throw up the unboxing video so you kind of can see the contents of everything. But it's a great first run. It does everything I need, and I'm excited to test it out further. So stay tuned. Take care, stay safe, and let's find your next adventure.